Welcome to TechApex Academy, your premier destination for computer science education. We guide students from their very first steps into technology through to achieving advanced proficiency. Welcome to Day 3. Today, we unlock the magic of speech bubbles, thought clouds, costume swaps, and smooth animations. We will cover interactive dialogue, costume cycles, and visual effects to bring your program's story to life. Today, we will learn about the purple looks blocks, on-screen dialogue, and costume switching. These will allow you to customize what your audience sees and simulate dynamic character movements. Purple looks blocks control your script's visual theater. You can communicate in 3 ways: timed dialogue for temporary bubbles, thought clouds for inner thoughts, and permanent bubbles that stay until cleared. To cycle through costumes smoothly, you'll use the next costume block inside a repeat loop. Use Switch Costume 2 for instant costume changes. The crucial animation wait block adds a small delay to prevent rapid flickering. To create a talking sprite, navigate to the Looks section. Drag out a Say block, then a next costume block, and finally another Say block. This sequence will make your character talk and change poses dynamically. Now for a concept checkpoint. Why use the Say Hello for 2 seconds block instead of the plain Say Hello block? The timed block pauses the script flow, giving players enough time to read before the next action begins. What happens if you run a loop with multiple next costume blocks without a wait delay block? The sprite's pose switches too rapidly to follow, appearing as a chaotic, flickering blur on stage. For your Reflection Sandbox mission, create an animated storyteller sprite. Program it to introduce itself, swap costumes, and tell a short 3-line story using timed bubble blocks. This puts your skills to the test. Thank you for watching. Join our community to see how we make learning tech fun and impactful. Visit our YouTube channel and unlock your digital potential with TechApex Academy. Like, share, and subscribe for a peek into our EdTech journey.